in Kansas, Clay, Cloud, Ottawa, Republic, and Washington. Remember, a tornado watch. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Republic County until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardy, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Republic and London. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Kansas. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Republic County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ludwell State Park to Republic to 3 miles southwest of Chester.
Rest in peace to my reception.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Sewell County until 5 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ludwell State Park, or 17 miles west of Belleville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Sewell County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Steel City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover and Hollenberg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has produced large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Kansas. The National Weather Service.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Republic County, northwestern Washington County, and north central Cloud County until 5:45 p.m. 2-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour winds with that storm. Again until 5:45 p.m. Speak weather standing by.
Some men just have it. It's not the car, the places he goes, or the moments he creates.
Not sure where the radio gonna go for that one.
This is the National Weather Service who issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45 p.m. for east central Washington County and northwestern Marshall County, and that's for 60-mile-per-hour winds and half-dollar size hail until 5:45 p.m. Peak weather standing by.
We've issued a new severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington and northwestern Marshall counties until 5:30 p.m. Ping, tall, ball, size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts from the main hazards of the storm. To give weather monitoring.
Your blue rapids, Kansas. Have you seen all the police outright?
And Doreen, and visibility down to maybe an inch in a mile. See nothing. Tornado warning for east central Washington County, west central, and west central Marshall County. That's going to be obviously tornado potential and golf ball size hail with the storm, and that's radar indicated right now. And that'll go until 5:45 p.m. Again, east central Washington, west central Marshall County. The actual circulation with that storm that we're looking at southwest of Marysville. It's southwest of Marysville. I'll get a mileage on that. Stand by. Circulation on that storm appears to be about 6 miles southwest of Marysville at this time. Speak weather standing by. This is Marshall County National Weather Service.
Western Washington, northwestern Clay, and northeastern Cloud counties until 6 p.m. Ping pong ball, size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts with the storm. Speak weather monitoring.
County. Once again, the NWS service.
This is Chico Weather, go ahead.
This is information service. Future warning hail on Highway 36 here towards 4th Road, and it's not a lot, but there is some coming down.
This is the National Weather Service in Topeka. We've issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington and northern Clay counties until 6:30 p.m. 2-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Trained weather spotters reported 2-inch hail 7 miles east of Concordia with this storm. Topeka weather monitoring.
I'm not sure why this tornado warning is still showing up. It's been canceling.
Indicating that 2 to 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in this area. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 2.5 inches are possible. Topeka weather monitoring.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Kansas. For your protection, move to an
New Mountain County Dispatch to Topeka National Weather.
This is Topeka weather. Go ahead.
Yeah, we just got a report of rotation 184th Road and the Mary Road here in Nemaha County by Burn. Can you tell us what you're seeing up there?
National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a flash flood warning for east central Washington County, northwestern Marshall County, and northeastern Kansas until 9:45 p.m. At 5:43.
Yeah, we are seeing some weakened broad rotation up in that area.
Heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain.
Thank you.
Additional rainfall amounts of 6 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include
Studios in Topeka, we've issued a downstream severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Riley, northwestern Potawatomi, southeastern Washington, northeastern Clay, and southwestern Marshall counties until 6:15 p.m. 70 mile per hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail are possible with this storm. Topeka weather monitoring.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Morganville to 6 miles southeast of Richmond, 40 miles southwest of Hanover, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. The expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts that can cause all-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following events are expected. Both animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Blue Rapids, Riley, Waterville, Leonardville, Greenleaf, Oldsburg, Randolph, and Marks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Kansas. Miles south of Klein, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following
Copy. We're watching that area closely.
outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage.
How you guys seeing rotation?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Klein, Clinton, and Mining.
Yeah, there's rotation there. It kind of tightens up and then it weakens so it's not persistent.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Right now, I must have got precise your call feed. That was there's tornado warning on it. The first concern.
Yeah, there's no tornado warning on that storm yet.
Storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Greenleaf to near Hanover, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts that can cause all-size hail.
I guess that's probably the downstream you were talking about.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This is the National Weather Service in Topeka. We've issued a downstream severe thunderstorm warning for north central Erie, Riley, western Potawatomi, southeastern Washington, east central Clay, and southern Marshall counties until 7 p.m. Continuing with the 70 mile per hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail with that storm. Topeka weather monitoring.
storms were located along a line extending from near Creek to 7 miles northwest of Randolph.
County.
Kind of repositioning on the Geneseo Claflin storm to north central. Let's go back to the radar. Probably the most impressive at the current time because it's a little isolated. Then you got the mess. So each of these storms could be producing severe hail, wind gusts, and a lot of reports of landspout tornadoes. Keep in mind these are not true tornadoes. They are weaker tornadoes that form underneath the base of the storm. And that storm I mentioned that latched to the cold front. This one right here has had a history of numerous landspouts. So if you're kind of looking out of Spearville or Dodge City,
Topeka water to Marshall County.
photogenic landspout tornado, but that's not a true tornado. Usually they're not all that powerful. It just signifies that the atmosphere is ready to go and that much closer to trying to produce tornadoes to the all the way down the cold front.
Riley County and west central Potawatomi County until 6:45 p.m. Tornado is radar indicated at this point. Tornado possible with ping pong ball size hail. And again, that's until 6:45 p.m. And that is central Riley, west central Potawatomi County. Speak weather standing by.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Republic,
update on the circulation that we're looking at for that tornado, this potential tornado at this point for central Riley County and west central Pond County is it's about 2 to 2.5 miles southwest of Oldsburg right now is where we're looking at.
That's probably confirmed. There it is. Well, you could probably confirm it. It's obviously radar indicated. Maybe we don't get Riley County on this channel. That's a really good catch.